Prompting is quickly becoming the most coveted skill of the future. Not because it's trendy, but because it sits at the intersection of creativity, technology, and communication. In a world increasingly run by AI, knowing how to talk to machines will be just as important as knowing how to talk to people. Let's get one thing clear. AI is not here to replace your ideas, it's here to amplify them. But it can only amplify what you ask for. That's where prompting comes in. The person who knows how to guide an AI can create solutions in seconds. Write code, generate ad campaigns, design logos, compose music, build lesson plans, plan business strategies, even simulate therapy. The possibilities are endless, but only if you know how to ask properly. Prompting is not typing random questions into a chatbot. It's an intentional skill, a blend of clarity, precision, and creativity. Just like you wouldn't walk into a restaurant and say food, you can't just say help me to an AI and expect brilliance. You need to guide it. Act like a Michelin star chef. Create a vegan meal plan for someone with a sweet tooth who has no time to cook and a small budget. Now that gets results. Think about the workplace of the future. Every industry, healthcare, marketing, finance, education, law, entertainment, is integrating AI into its core processes. But AI by itself is just a tool. What separates someone average from someone irreplaceable is how well they use that tool. Knowing how to prompt means you can delegate 10x more, build faster, think bigger. Employers are already looking for it. In job descriptions, you'll find phrases like AI fluency, ability to collaborate with language models, or experience with generative tools. These are all code for, can you prompt well? Can you turn a vague business problem into a clear instruction that AI can execute? If yes, you become the new creative lead, strategist, or innovator, no matter your official title. What makes prompting so powerful is that it's not limited to any one domain. It's not like learning Excel or Photoshop where you master one tool. Prompting is a universal skill. Once you get it, you can use it across platforms. ChatGPT, Midjourney, Gemini, Claude, Copilot, Runway, 11 Labs, you name it. It's one skill that unlocks 1,000 doors. And here's the best part. You don't need a degree to master it. You don't need to be a coder. You don't even need to be tech savvy. You just need to be curious, intentional, and willing to experiment. Prompting levels the playing field. It allows a school teacher, an artist, a content creator, or a solo entrepreneur to do the work of an entire team. We used to say Google it. That was the old power skill, finding information. Now it's prompt it. Because now you're not just finding data, you're generating ideas, content, answers, and strategies in real time. Prompting is becoming the new literacy. If you can't do it, you're digitally mute. But if you can, you become digitally fluent, able to speak to machines in a way that makes them work for you. And as AI gets smarter, prompting won't become obsolete. It will become more nuanced. The people who know how to get original, high-quality, emotionally resonant, and ethically aligned output from AI, they will lead. Everyone else will be drowning in generic responses and underwhelming tools. So if you're wondering what to learn next, where to invest your time, or how to future-proof your career, start here. Learn to prompt. Practice it every day. Play with it. Build your own prompt libraries. Watch how different instructions create different results. You're not just learning how to use a tool, you're learning how to think better. In the future, the most powerful people won't be the ones who know everything. They'll be the ones who know how to ask the right questions. And that is why prompting is the most coveted skill of the future.